What happens when you put a full-frame camera in the hands of a popular YouTuber that's been using a crop sensor camera for the last 2 years? Let's find out. So every Thursday I go to a networking meeting. That's where probably like 70 to 90% of my clients come from, which is referrals and just building relationships with other people. I probably won't be able to bring this camera in there and film too much, but if I can sneak something in there, I will. But as of right now, cue the B-roll and cue some other cool stuff. So a question that I get asked a lot is, should I choose a full frame camera or a crop censored camera? Well, today I'm going to give the option to a good buddy of mine to choose between a crop censored camera or a full frame camera and to see if he can get any good footage with it. You're gonna have the choice to pick between either a crop censored camera or a full frame camera.
Okay.
And your goal is to get some really good footage with one or the other. Challenge accepted?
A challenge accepted, though of course you know I'm gonna pick the full frame camera because I mean I have an M50 which is the same sensor and a better processor than the SL2, so I'm gonna try the 6D Mark II or your EOS-R if you let me get my grubby little hands on it.
To try to get some good footage with a camera that he's not really used to, but that's not it. That's not it. Typically, you know, you're supposed to use an ND filter when you're outside vlogging or just trying to get footage. Well, he doesn't have one. Typically, when you're shooting handheld, you should be using a lens with image stabilization. He doesn't have one. And typically, when you're speaking, you should be having a good microphone on top of your camera. He doesn't have one. So this is gonna be a good challenge and I'm curious to see what kind of results that he gets. So we're a few minutes from wrapping up, and now I'm going to give him this camera, which is the EOS-R full frame, and I'm going to see if he can get some really good footage of my car.
I will say that he could edit it and make me look either good or not good.
I think he did very well. I haven't seen the footage yet, so I'll make my assumption when I get back. You guys be the judge. Comment below what you think. Until then, hit that dislike button. See you in the next video.